Latest model of 3.5 kg Abdullah Kneader AE390, also called the high top model, being packed for Daraz order. This is the shipping label, 11 June 2025. We are Orion Engineering. You can see the machine is absolutely okay from all the sides. This is the back side. We will show you from the bottom. It is absolutely okay, and now we will start the machine and check it's working. It will be packed in its genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top. It comes with a plastic blade, a metal blade. The machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. You can take out its steel bowl and wash it with water easily. Please do read the instructions manual before starting it. It is about to stop. The machine is automatically stopped, so it is working absolutely okay. And now we will pack it as per the Daraz packaging guidelines, so that we have evidence. This video serves as an evidence that we have packed a brand new working machine which has no damages, and we have packed it as per the Daraz packaging guidelines. The carton will now be packed in brown sheet and then in bubble wrap with fragile stickers on top. Extra cushioning is being placed below the machine, and you can see extra cushioning on top, and it will also be on the sides. packing is complete, and now it is being packed in bubble wrap for extra safety. This order is from Harunabad. The packing is complete, and now the shipping label is being pasted on it with fragile stickers. The other fragile sticker is also being pasted. Please do not forget to give review with pictures when you receive the item and are satisfied with it. If you have any questions, do contact us on Daraz chat or on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos, comment if you have any suggestions or questions. This packing is now complete, you can see. Orion Engineering, Karachi.